Before deciding to begin YouTube automation, you should be aware of the unadulterated reality. The truth is that YouTube automation can be extremely profitable, or it can be a complete waste of time if you're not aware of the risks that I'll be sharing with you today. If you're interested in my background on YouTube, I've uploaded hundreds of videos and made tens of thousands of dollars. Lately, I've seen hundreds of gurus talking about the money you'll make if you start YouTube automation, but none of them are warning you about the challenges and realities you'll face. With all the recent hype around YouTube automation, I've had both viral hits and complete failures, and I've learned from every video I've produced. I chose to make this video and share my personal journey to help you avoid the same dead ends I encountered after searching YouTube for a video that discusses the realities and drawbacks of this business model and failing to find one. What is YouTube automation? The term YouTube automation refers to a model where, instead of appearing on camera, people create content using voiceovers, stock footage, and automated editing. Initially, most YouTube channels featured real people, but one day a lazy genius decided to post a video without ever stepping in front of the camera. This person recorded a voiceover in their underwear, added stock footage, and achieved millions of views. Thus, YouTube automation was born. To help you avoid making the same mistakes I did, I want to share my experience. When I first heard about YouTube automation, it caught my attention immediately. I love YouTube, and the term automation sounded simple and quick. I kept seeing videos about networks that were getting millions of views and generating significant revenue. Seeing people buy Lamborghinis and other luxuries made me want to give it a shot. My first attempt at YouTube automation. I started by compiling a list of YouTube channel ideas. After 3 days, I settled on a plan, believing that making videos would be easy and that I would get tons of views effortlessly. I spent a few hours editing my first video, hoping it would go viral. However, after a week, it had only about 50 views. I went back to the drawing board, found more viral clips on a similar topic, and ensured the editing was perfect before posting my next video. A week later, that video received about 7,000 views, and then I got my big break. It went viral, hitting 100,000 views. I thought I was on my way to buying my first Lamborghini, just as the gurus had promised. However, I was mistaken. Everything seemed to be going according to plan. I reached 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in a month and applied for monetization. This is where I hit my first roadblock. Compilation channels are very difficult to monetize because they rely on recycled content unless significantly altered. Even though my channel had amassed over 12 million views and 30,000 subscribers, it was essentially worthless because it wasn't eligible for monetization. Fortunately, I was able to sell the channel to a buyer in Russia for about $3,000. This failure made me more determined than ever, knowing that views alone wouldn't guarantee success. Selecting a niche. One key lesson I learned was the importance of choosing a high CPM cost per mille niche. After hearing from experts that the best CPM niches include finance, real estate, and money, I decided to launch a personal finance channel called Money Navigator. CPM refers to the amount advertisers pay to show their ads in front of your audience. To automate my content, I hired freelancers to edit videos and create thumbnails. Instead of paying someone for voiceovers, I used AI-generated narration. For my first video, I researched trending topics and decided on 5 signs you're doing well financially. I asked ChatGPT to generate a 6-minute script, which it completed in 30 seconds. My editor used the script to create a video with an AI voiceover. We spent about $75 in total. After ensuring the right keywords and hashtags were in place, I uploaded the video. Initially, it received minimal traction, just 400 views in the first month. However, over the next few months, it gradually gained 22,000 views and 239,000 impressions, attracting hundreds of new subscribers. This success led me to start researching the price of Lamborghinis again. But naturally, everything fell apart once more. why my second channel failed. Despite the initial success, my next 3 videos failed to achieve the same level of engagement. Upon reflection, I realized 2 key reasons for the failure. 1, lack of authenticity. While my first video contained valuable information, the viewing experience felt soulless. The combination of cheap editing and a robotic AI voice lacked the human touch needed to retain viewers. 2, poor engagement strategy. Even though I invested more time in scripting, editing, and thumbnails, the lack of a personal connection hindered my channel's growth. At one point, I even tried using my own voice instead of AI narration, but nothing worked. The reality of YouTube automation. Many people think YouTube automation is a shortcut to easy money. In reality, YouTube is highly competitive. To stand out, you need high-quality content, a loyal audience, and a creative approach. Unless you already have expertise in content creation, you must invest in a professional editor, skilled thumbnail designer, and an engaging scriptwriter. Managing a team requires significant time and effort. In short, YouTube automation isn't really automated. The only real difference from a traditional YouTuber is that you're not on camera, but you still have to handle everything else. Success on YouTube is entirely up to you. Lessons learned and final thoughts. Looking back, I'm grateful for these failures because they taught me invaluable lessons. In a way, I earned a master's degree in what not to do on YouTube. Thanks to these experiences, my current channel has achieved incredible results, reaching 50,000 subscribers in 3 months and generating over $10,000 from AdSense, plus additional revenue from partnerships. Contrary to what gurus claim, the days of easily making money with low-effort channels such as Rain Sounds are over. The market is oversaturated. If you want to succeed, keep these 4 things in mind. 1. Choose the right niche. Pick a topic that's currently trending and has future growth potential. 2. Invest in expertise and mentorship. Learning from experienced creators can give you a competitive edge. 3. Hire top talent. A great editor and high-quality thumbnails can accelerate your success. 4. Manage expectations. Success won't happen overnight. The term YouTube automation was coined by gurus to make the business model sound easier than it is. A more accurate name would be YouTube management. While YouTube can be highly profitable, it requires effort, strategy, and patience. If you treat it as a sprint, cutting corners and chasing quick wins, you'll ultimately pay the price. I made this video to help you understand the reality of YouTube automation before you invest time and money. Some industry professionals have even told me to stop sharing this information, but I will continue to be honest and reveal the truths they don't want you to know. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights into YouTube success.